Have you ever wondered how this blade stops? As soon as it touches a hand, it effortlessly cuts through the wood. But the moment it comes in contact with the hand, it instantly stops spinning by deploying an aluminum brake cartridge, going from 4,000 RPM to 0 in just 5 milliseconds. That's 10 times faster than deploying airbags. Now, you might ask, how does the blade know if it's touching a human hand or a piece of wood? Well, the blade carries a small electrical current, and unlike wood, when a human hand touches it, it completes an electrical circuit, triggering the safety mechanism. Subscribe for more that like videos.